grabbing a water.
Thirsty.
Oh, can we go to Jurassic World? You know what? I really want to do the river journey.
The Jurassic Park water ride?
Yeah, let's go.
No.
Let's go.
It's not happening, boy. That's a 6-story drop.
So.
No.
Oh, Spider-Man. I want to really go on Spider-Man. Spider-Man it is.
I'll watch you go on the Jurassic Park ride.
Not the best house, but whatever.
No.
Should we go to Harry Potter after this? Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Oh, hell no.
You get drenched on the Jurassic Park one too.
No, it's not as much as this one. I refused. So I don't get her. She didn't want to go on the 6-foot drop. And then she said that she would go on Velocicoaster, which is worse than that one.
Two different kind of drops. 2 different kind of drops.
For a girl that knows how to drop it, you should enjoy that ride. But anywho, it's raining. Oh yeah, so we're gonna get on calm. It started to pick up. Oh. How was the ride? Rate it.
Like a solid 5 out of 10.
That ride used to be 3D. Anywho, we should do Hagrid's and Forbidden Journey. Then we need to jump to ET because apparently this person over here has not done ET ever. Isn't that a crime? That's crazy.
Don't mind the thestrals. Oh, and don't mind coffee. Looks like you've lost power. And look, she's a mom.
I guess at the end of the day you won because what I wanted to do was close, so.
I wouldn't have stopped you from going on.
Yeah, but I was gonna go by myself. Oh, I need that. I need some love in my life. $12, oh my God. No, I don't need love. We made it to Diagonal Bay. We might ride this ride and then ET.
Most important character.
Megamind.
Megamind.
Oh.
He's husband number 7.
Oh. This is the new DreamWorks land. It hasn't opened. We are Poppy stands out here. If you don't like Poppy, then click off this video. Thank you. We're gonna go on the ET ride. She's gonna go on it for the first time ever. For this week's Puerto Rican slang, the word is al garete. It means a really fun and crazy time. And the song of the week, You Love Who You Love by Sarah Larson.
I'm telling you.
was like one giant acid trip most of the time. I really enjoyed the smells of the ride. That was cool.
We did a lot though.
We did like the rides we don't normally do.
We're heading out. Oh, now it's good lighting. That was enough.
Yeah.
Enough for today, Jesus.